point. Today, in this point, we will discuss about the necessity of beta clamps in the mechanism of replication. DNA polymerase 3 is a principal replication enzyme required for elongation of the duplex template in Escherichia coli and probably most other prokaryotes. Although different subunits might replace some of the Escherichia coli components in these other organisms, present only in very small amounts, it is remarkably efficient replication machine or replicating machine. How the holoenzyme is actually recruited to the initial replication fork is unknown. It may be due to any specific protein to protein interaction, but rather to an extremely efficient recognition of a primer terminus, which then acts to bind the holoenzyme as one of the subunit as follows. One of the subunit is a complex of 6 monomers beta subunit that encircles the DNA as a clamp, while another of the subunit acts to load the clamp onto the DNA or clamp loader. The clamp loader is quite complex and consists of 5 different proteins, gamma complexes. The two-stage process is investigated, in which the gamma complex first recognizes a primed template on the leading or the lagging strand, and in the presence of ATP assembles the clamp on the template. In the second step, the catalytic core of the polymerase, consisting of 3 subunits including 3 5 consisting 3 5 endonucleases and its simulators, to excise the occasional mismatched nucleotide in base pairing or proofreading, and the polymerizing or catalyzing enzymes that recognizes the correct deoxyribonucleotide triphosphate precursor as well as correct template base to which it will be paired. The polymerase is assembled behind the clamp, although it was originally assumed that the clamp slid along the DNA template in a progressive manner, that is the maintenance of enzyme activity over the relatively long sequence of template for both the leading and the lagging strand. It is most probably instead that the template migrates through a fixed holoenzyme site, and that this site is probably the cell membrane. Other important feature of this remarkable process includes the dimerization of catalytic core. Most of the process is beta clamp, formation of beta clamp. Clamp is nothing but clamp which holds DNA polymerase and the DNA template along with each other, and the replication continues. This is the elongation. This required in the elongation process, or this is required in the elongation process of the DNA replication. Now we will discuss the other points that is the progressive polymerase required in the DNA replication.